Scorpio Pisces, this is your next week in love. Let's see what is coming towards you, what's happening, what's up with your love life the next week. We will first check into your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards your partner, and then we will see what is the combined energy of the couple the next week, which is you guys. And then we will also see some guidance and messages from the universe. Please keep in mind that these are general readings, so only take what resonates, leave the rest behind, and let's begin with it. हम पहले आपकी एनर्जी चेक करेंगे आपके पार्टनर के लिए, and then we will see your partner's energies towards you. Water sign, their energy towards their partner. Energies can go vice versa, so take it as it resonates. You're picking on to a few things intuitively about your partner. आपको लगेगा कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, कुछ something is mischievous, something is hidden, and your intuition is going to be very, very loud about it. And you will try to figure out and you will try to see what's up, what's happening. And I think the universe is also going to reveal what's wrong to you, because yes, there is something wrong. You might also experience anxiety. आपको बहुत एंजाइटी होगी सोच के कि समथिंग इज़ नॉट हाउ आई थॉट इट वॉज, एंड उसकी क्लैरिटी भी आपको इंस्टेंटली दी जाएगी. लीब्रा कुड बी सिग्निफिकेंट, पाइसीज कुड बी सिग्निफिकेंट वेरी स्ट्रांगली, एंड द मून कार्ड वॉन्ट्स टू टेल यू दैट things may not be how they seem. Trust your instinct to see past these illusions. You may also be experiencing mood swings, dominant insecurity or instability into your life. If you are waiting for an answer, then be prepared to wait, because the answer is coming. It might take a few days or a few time, but then the answers are coming in. Let's see more. Disharmony, misalignment, working alone, lack of teamwork, disorganized and group conflict. आपकी आपके पार्टनर के साथ नहीं बनेगी. You will feel that disharmony, you will feel that mismatch of energy, you will feel that misalignment with your partner. That's what I see. And then we have the Six of Cups at the bottom, but then you still feel that emotional connectivity because attachment is there. आपको attachment है आपके पार्टनर से, and that will show in your energy, and that's why the mood swings are happening, because you know that something is off intuitively, but then there is still that attachment, there is still that emotions involved in this connection, and that's why you will feel anxiety. That's why you will go through those mood swings, because you were in love and you did feel something for this person. Let's see what are your partner's energies towards you. Water sign, their partner's energies towards them. Okay, King of Earth, your partner could be an earth sign, Taurus or Capricorn. They are very unstable, first of all. Temptation. Okay. Your partner could be talking to a younger earth sign that you're unaware of. Temptation for me is a cheating card sometimes in energies like these, but I'm not claiming that your partner is cheating. But they are talking to somebody, they're talking to a younger earth sign. And they are not happy about it, or they are bored because of it. The Tower here, by the way, your partner is going to manifest a confession, or they are going to manifest that things will be revealed to you. Your partner themselves are going to manifest this. Three of Earth reverse यहाँ भी आया है, by the way. उनको भी आपके साथ वो misalignment, वो disharmony feel होती है. The truth is, the reality is that your intuition is trying to tell you that your partner does not feel a connection with you. They are not cheating on you. They are not dealing with somebody else romantically, which can be called as cheating. but your partner is not that invested or interested in you. That's what I'm hearing. एंड जो आपका इंट्यूशन आपको बोल रहा है वो ये बोल रहा है कि आपके पार्टनर शायद उतना आपसे कनेक्टेड नहीं है जितना वो पहले थे, या फिर जितना आप सोचते थे, या फिर जितना आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन है. दे आर नॉट दैट इंक्लूडेड और इन्वेस्टेड इन टू द कनेक्शन, नीदर दे आर दैट मच इंटरेस्टेड इन टू द कनेक्शन विथ यू, एंड दे आर लूजिंग इंटरेस्ट. देयर कुड बी अदर टेम्पटेशंस अराउंड देम, या फिर हो सकता है दैट आपको ऐसा लगता है कि योर पार्टनर डज नॉट commit to you because there are temptations, but they are not temptations. You'll have to understand that maybe probably your partner is not that invested, or they don't see a future with you. I am going to tell you whatever the reality is, and if this is not resonating, then it is fine. Maybe this reading is not for you. But what your partner currently is feeling is mismatch of energy, misalignment into the connection, lack of passion, and they just want to keep it casual. They just want to keep it surface level. That's what they are not telling you, and that's what they will confess. And eventually आपके पार्टनर खुद ऐसी सिचुएशन को मैनिफेस्ट करेंगे जहाँ पे both of you will have to face the reality, and you will get to know what's actually going on into your partner's mind. So yeah, this is what I see. Let's see what is the combined energy between the two of you. Water sign and their partner. Let there be the closeness between you, but always give each other the space. Love never claims, it simply allows. Universe wants to teach you, water sign, that when you are in a connection, you don't have to control the partner. If they love you, they love you. If they don't, no matter what you do, it is never going to work out. Then we have look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is deeper than the ocean. For you is deeper than the ocean. Your partner did have feelings for you, but now the connection is drifting apart, and they can feel the lack of connection between the two of you. And the reason can be because you have invested a lot into the connection, and that's why the universe wants to remind you that true connections don't need control. You don't have to control the people that truly are connected to you, and that you need to really detach from your partner so that the connection can flow easily. And overindulgence into the connection is what's causing your partner to detach from you. And ये आपको actually समझने की ज़रूरत है. Even if your connection आगे work करता है, नहीं work करता है, that's not what I'm talking about. But the lesson here for you is that you need to understand that overly attaching to a person and being connected to a person, it's going to cause you, the other person, to lose interest. Because when you are the one taking all the responsibility, you're not letting the other person to give you, and you're not receiving anything into the connection, which is important as well. Well, that was it. That was your reading. Do let me know how this resonates with you. And maybe this week is not for you, but the next week will be. And I shall see you then. Sending love and light. The details for personal reading will be listed down below. We'll see you in the next one.